Hello everyone. Ever wonder what happens to your food after you eat it? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Digestion starts in the mouth where teeth chew and saliva soften the food. The food travels through the esophagus into the stomach where acids and enzymes turn it into a thick liquid. The small intestine, this is where nutrients are absorbed with help from the liver and pancreas. The leftover waste move to the large intestine and finally exit the body through the anus. And that's your digestive system. Like, share, and subscribe my channel if you want detailed information about the digestive system. So click link below. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about a very important system in our body, that is the human digestive system. So let's explore the journey of food inside our body. So first we'll go through the definition. So the definition is the digestive system is a group of organs that work together to break down food into simpler substance so that the body can absorb nutrient and get energy. So now let's discuss about the main organ of digestive system. The digestive system consists of the following main part, that is the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. And we also have some digestive glands, that is salivary gland, liver and pancreas. So first we'll discuss about the mouth, that is the first step of digestive system. So the mouth, digestion begins in the mouth. Our teeth chew the food and saliva mix with it to start breaking it down. These processes called mechanical and chemical digestion. Next is esophagus. Next, the food passes through a long tube called esophagus. This tube connects the mouth to the stomach and move the food by muscular movement called peristalsis. Okay. Now next step is stomach. In the stomach, food mixed with digestive juices and acid. The stomach churns the food into a semi-liquid form called chyme. Okay. Next is small intestine. Now comes the most important part, the small intestine. Here the food gets completely digested with the help of enzyme from the pancreas and bile from the liver. Nutrients are absorbed into the blood. Now next is large intestine. Whatever is left, the undigested part, goes into the large intestine where water is absorbed and waste is prepared for removal. Last one is anus. Finally, the waste is removed from the body through the anus. Okay, so now supporting organ, liver, pancreas, and salivary gland. So liver produce bile to digest fats. Pancreas releases enzyme to break down proteins, fats, and carbs. Salivary glands release saliva to begin digestion in the mouth. So, in short, the digestive system is like a food processing machine. It breaks down the food, absorb the useful nutrient, and throw out the waste. Keeping this system healthy is very important. So always eat a balanced diet and drink plenty of water. Okay. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel.